Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today I'm going to go over the uranium daily technical analysis update. I'll give you my financial opinion, and we're just going to jump right in here. We've got uranium at $52 a pound. This is on a weekly candlestick just because it's easier to see. We're heading on higher here. We could be doing some sort of pattern of some sort that we're going to scribe out. We've got the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. That was also higher on a daily candlestick basis, getting a little bit of buying pressure today. So hopefully that continues. We've got Uranium, still a little bit of selling pressure. The whole market basically sold off outside of precious metals. A lot of selling pressure with this news of the CPI being so high. I think it was at 8 point something percent. Down today, 2.2%. Again, this still looks okay. Nothing looks absolutely broken or anything. So we just got to see when the buyers want to show up. Camco, also getting a little bit of selling pressure. Still doesn't look too bad. Large, big bullish engulfing here. 3 small down days. Still looks intact. The move to the upside. Bannerman getting gapped lower, but buyers showed up and bought it up. That also doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. Obviously, it doesn't feel good being down today, but from a charting perspective, it doesn't look game over. That's all I'm saying. Still looks okay. Goviak's thrown in a hammer pattern. Hopefully, we can get the buyers to show up next week, and we start to head higher. Global Atomic, at least we contracted down with the opening and closing price. Still above the downtrend line. Everything's looking okay. And Forces Metals, nice bullish hammer pattern. Buyers came in. It actually ended up. Few companies that ended up today, so looks a lot better. Pierpoint Uranium, small down day right at support. Let me grab this guy and move the support line across, but it's right on support. We've got Deep Yellow getting a nice hammer pattern. Doesn't look horrible. A little bit of selling pressure in Paladin. Again, we're still within this pattern. Big bullish engulfing 4 trading sessions ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just got to wait for the buyers to show up, guys. That's all we got to do is got to wait. Sky Harbor, small down day today. Canalaska, getting a gap lower with some buyers coming in, buying it up. Next Gen Energy, NXE. It gap lower, buyers showed up. Again, we're still kind of coming with some upward pressure, still above a lot of the support areas. We're just selling off the past 3 days. Base load selling off. We're still within the, well, looks like that. Still within the pattern. Vision 3.0, sell off today, right on support. We'll see where that goes. Fission 1.0, hammer pattern. Again, still looks good. We've got the big bullish engulfing here, and all we're doing is we're kind of going sideways. We had a nice little update there, still going sideways. Again, it still looks good. It still looks good for a potential move on up. Kazatomprom, a little bit of a sell-off. Peninsula Energy, bullish piercing. Nice 2 big up days, two smaller down days. Again, that's usually a trait for a move higher, that the buyers are in control and the sellers aren't coming in here and just selling everything off. Boss Energy getting a little bit of selling pressure there. Consolidated Uranium, big hammer pattern there. That looks good, actually. I know it was a down day, down 8%. Nothing feels good. It gapped lower, but at least buyers came in and pushed the momentum back higher. So I am, it's positive to see those signs for a potential bottoming process to turn around. Here's another big hammer pattern. That's where the buyers come in and bought it back up throughout the day. If you were to look at a 5-day, let me back out a little bit more. You can look and you can see this thing reverse and get bought back up and come back up. It's a bounce, so to speak. It's bouncing. So that's Lotus Resource bouncing with that hammer pattern. A little bit of selling pressure here in Uroy, Encore Energy. Hammer pattern right on support. We got a bullish engulfing here. I think it looks okay. We're just on support line. Got what I need right on support. Small little down day. And URG, UEC, they're all going to be roughly the same. They're almost all basically trade the same. Nice little hammer pattern there in UEC. LEU, little sell off today. Big up days, little small down days right on that resistance line. LTBR getting a little bit more selling pressure there, down 12%. Came back a little bit today, bouncing off that resistance line. ISO Energy, this is a hammer candlestick. Looks good to try to go higher. Appy Energy, small little down day right on support. We've got Denison Mines, again, just trading down a little bit, just a sideways day because it gapped lower and went sideways. Blue Sky Uranium just moving sideways. Again, sometimes these are bullish, where you get a big move higher, and then we just get slow leak off of sellers. Forum Energy Metals, small little down day on a bullish hammer pattern. We've got Anfield getting a little bit of a selling pressure day. We've got Laramide bullish in bullish piercing. Again, this still looks good. I still think that a lot of these look good because what happened was you have the closing price. They gapped lower, and a lot of them traveled down and then came back up with the momentum heading back up. Sometimes it's a bottoming process. This has the same thing. That's a bullish piercing. That's what that candlestick means. Western Uranium, Vanadium. It's right on support. Notice that they're all green candlesticks. It means the momentum's heading to the upside. UEXCF, another one, right on support, green candlestick. Mega Uranium. Come on, Mega. Yep, right on the resistance support line, and that's what we got to do. We got to break up through these. But again, we've got these large, big bullish engulfing candlesticks that engulfs everything before it. Those are, and we have a small couple of down days. That usually means that we head higher. But with an everything sell-off type day, I mean, sometimes it drags us lower. Standard Uranium down a little bit. Valor Metals down a little bit. And then these are delayed, Elevate and 92E. So again, guys, I don't trade the short term. I would view this as a buying opportunity and pick up your favorite companies and then just hold on. That's what I would do. We had a knee-jerk reaction to the CPI, Consumer Price Index. That knee-jerk is attributed to Scott. He likes saying that. Me, I just ride it, have fun. And big selling day. I was looking, I'm trying to find where the value is in the market and what looks good, where I'd put money. And, there's a couple of spots that I like. Obviously, I'll bring it up for the question and answer session tomorrow, but that's all I've got for uranium. Nothing's changed fundamentally. We just have a down day. We're right on support. Still looks good. We still have the traits of the candlesticks with large buying pressure and smaller selling pressure. That's usually an indication of a continuation pattern to the upside. So that's what I see. If you guys like this analysis, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website, Platinum membership. That's where it's at if you want to know the goods. And we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.